Good morning, good afternoon, whatever you are watching this my video. Before I go to inside my topic, I want to use this opportunity to thank you for my subscriber. Thank you very much. If you never subscribe to Zena Benson TV, please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support your sister. If you are already subscribed to my YouTube, thank you very much. God bless you. You are welcome to Zena Benson TV. So today I want to talk about this matter where they go up and down for social media, for YouTube. I don't dey watch the video now like just 2 weeks now, or 1 week, where they see different blogger, all of these people, all of these our YouTube people, our Nigeria sister, Nigeria mama, everybody they are carry the matter up and down. See, I don't know wetin dey worry our Nigeria people sometimes. Because before I don't want to talk for this matter, because not be everything they waka up and down for social media. Now you go they put your mouth, but this one it too they go up and down, go up and down, go up and down. That's why I thought say me myself still shook my mouth inside, because I don't see different people that they carry the matter like their problem. See, YouTube people, blogger people, I want wetin be our problem? Wetin be our problem? Wey be like say if you don't see any small problem for YouTube, they go just carry the matter like their problem. Meanwhile, your problem will be like say you full for rubber. E dey your own body, but you will never come outside talk that your problem. But if you don't see another person problem, now that one come dey suit you. Now that one you like to come outside to talk. Where our Nigeria people like to bring person down. Why they like to talk wetin wey be like say their eyes no see, wey be like say they don't know wetin cause that problem. Before you go come outside, come dey talk something or judge the person, because you are not a lawyer, you are not a judge, you are not a God. You no need to judge anybody. You don't need to judge anybody. Everybody get their problem. But this thing, this cloth, now they cover a lot of problem. That's why. Not be say if you come outside, you come for YouTube, you make up, you dress, your house is looking like. Not be say you get everything, but you never use one day talk am. See this thing wey happen so, na lesson for everybody. Your sister fit kill you, your brother fit kill you. The same mama, the same papa. No be only friend dey kill person. No be only outside people na it be person enemy. Your family fit be like your enemy, especially if you see say you get destiny. Especially if you see say you get destiny, say something don't dey well for you, they go come turn their self to enemy to you. See this thing where I want to talk about, this Vera problem, where everybody come they carry the problem, they carry the matter, come put am for their. I don't know why some people go leave their problem, they come they pick another person problem. See this sickness where they kill people. Our people never lay down, they pray God, because this thing no be small thing where they keep person. But another person to look social media, wetin dey happen? Wetin dey happen for this one family? Wetin dey happen for this one family? They want to know husband and wife whether they fight. Why? This sickness they kill different people. That one no concern you to talk person say he abandon their children. Now you dey after. Me, I know side and say the way abandon their children, e good or e no good, because although this Mama Gladys or Mama Lodis or Mama DC or everybody where they talk this matter, all these people you never call Vera, ask am say wetin happen. Because me, I never see woman wey go carry belle for 9 months, where everybody know say no easy. You come born 5 children, 5 good children. No be say get so boys go just abandon their child for Nigeria. Come talk say you no go send money give am, you no go take care of am. You never call Vera. Then this sister Vera say wey do this thing to im sister. It's not good o, my sister. If you dey watch this my video, it's not good, it's not nice. Whatever your sister do for you, this thing na family issue. You supposed to call your sister and tell am wetin e do for you. This thing wey you do your sister is not good at all. It's not good. If your sister abandon you, no fit help your sister. If your sister no send money give that children, you no fit send money give the children. Or where you dey wey Vera come get 3 children for Germany here, wey get one, then you know say no take care of that child that time. Why you no come outside that time? Now wey Vera don get 3 children, now you know say wan bring your sister down. This thing is not nice, my sister. If you dey watch this my video, this thing wey you do your sister is not good at all. This thing wey dey happen now, this sickness wey dey kill person now, although this thing na im dey bring the problem. Because if you sit down for one place talk person matter, na problem, na bad thing. That's why God dey first for everybody, no be only white. No be only white. African people, why? Let us stop all of this thing. African people, we black, our face is black, our body black. Why no let our heart to pure? All our body na black, our heart is still come black. Why? You don't forget say this thing wey sister Vera do im sister, if it do you tomorrow. They come dey carry the pikin picture up, they don't even cover that child, they don't even cover their face. They don't forget say if you put something for social media, you know they comot. Because no be wetin you send give person for WhatsApp now wey be like say go talk say one delete. E no nice at all. Although these people, you never use one day call Vera, say Vera, wetin happen? Why you abandon your children for Nigeria like that? No, they give her money. Then although these problems, same me, I never see the place where be like say now woman go just dey take responsibility for their children. Because no be say na God na him give the woman belle. No be person put that belle inside. The man no get hand to go work. But why our Nigeria people go see through, they no go talk. The man no fit go work to take care of their children, to make Vera herself shame. Everybody up and down, they come dey shout Vera. Now only Vera born the children. Or maybe you know, maybe the girl they send money before. Maybe the man not use that money, take care of the child. You know, let that child itself know. Say their mama they send the money. It dey happen with everybody wey get children for Nigeria. Why when Nigeria people like to see through, they no go talk? Because now all this problem, now they kick person. See what they happen, they no talk that one, they know they pray. Now Vera Meta, they carry waka up and down for YouTube. What's happen our Nigeria people? Muna stop now. Muna stop. Sorry guys. I don't know why people like to carry person matter like their problem. Our Nigeria people, you have to stop all this thing. You never call Vera one day to ask am wetin happen, wetin make am leave 5 children. Maybe Vera if they send money give him ex-husband, the man no use the money take care of the child, use the money go carry another woman. If na you, wetin you go do? You no go stop. Because now the man dey responsible to take care of their children, no be Vera. Vera need to support. No be Vera need to pay their children school fees. Because the man never die. No be say the man don't die. If you say the man they die, the family of that man, they need to help. No be only Vera. It's not easy. If the African people don't see say person don't dey abroad, they don't believe say person they plug money for road. If it easy, you say fit pass road. You fit pass road. I see different name wey they call this woman. You do ashewo for Saba, you do this thing for this, you do this for that. All woman na ashewo. All the woman na ashewo. Woman wey be like say no be your husband wey put you for house na him disveg you. No be you disveg you. You don't disveg. How many man wey don fuck you before you get marriage? You be ashewo. No be only woman wey dey go club or wey dey stand for road na him be only be ashewo. Any woman wey be like say no be him husband na him disvirgin you, you be ashewo. Woman wey be like say before you marry, you don do like three abortion, you don do 4 abortion, you don do 5 abortion, 10 man don fuck you, or 20 man, you no even count man wey be like say don fuck you before you get, you be ashewo. So una stop all this rubbish. Come YouTube, encourage people. If you know how to cook, show people. If you know how to make hair, show people. If you know how to dress, show people. If you see something wey be like say in this thing, if you want to help person, do. Not be by bring people down. No be by go inside person family, come dey go shook your hand. Wetin you no supposed to know, want to know am, want to know am because you want to get followers. Come bring am, come outside. Your own dey body. Although these people, although these Nigerian people, wey dey talk about this Farah in their family, your own dey body. If you people go find your own, you wey dey look me wey I dey talk so, my own dey my body. Una stop to talk person matter. Una stop to bring person matter for social media. If you want to help Vera children, you can help. No be by put Vera picture, put their children picture. It's not nice. That one is not a help. Like disgrace, like to bring the girl down, like to let people know say you know how to talk person matter. Vera not me, I don't know Vera. No be my friends. I know get time for my YouTube. I know you know subscribe for me. I know subscribe for them. You understand? But before me open YouTube, I dey watch their woke up where they do. I dey watch and well. The time when you and Jama first lady they fight, I dey watch and well. Mama Gladys now, because you and this Vera, they don't get matter now. You make Mama Gladys they talk like that. Everybody get their past. Everybody get past. Person wey go come outside, wey go talk say no get past. I never see am for this life. Mama Gladys, I'm sorry to say that. You get your own past. Everybody wey they talk, you get your own past. All these people wey be like say they know how to talk person matter, na in their problem, na in big wey be like say rubber band and Ghana must go if you know if you carry am. Una stop all this thing, Nigeria people. Our body black, our heart still black. If you want to help Vera Pekin, help am the right way. No be by put Vera picture, put their Pekin picture. That one is good. You don't forget say your own way, you way they talk person matter, your Pekin go grow. You don't know what will go happen to you tomorrow. This thing wey Sister Vera do is not good at all. It's very, very bad. My sister is very, very bad. Whatever this girl do you, whatever this your sister do you, you're not supposed to do this thing. If Vera no will take care of your children, no be your blood, your own blood sister. You know if you help her. You know if you help her. Me, I see this thing like jealousy. Maybe you dey jealous your sister. Maybe you no believe say Vera fit come abroad. Maybe you no believe say Vera fit be like this. That's why you do this thing. Because where you dey since how many years? You know if Vera mama don't die. Your mama don't die, your papa don't die. You no get family to call for Nigeria. To go do Vera Pekin video. Say me they look them that although that video na lie. No be that place their children they live. That man say we can't stand like person we don't get coronavirus. You no get hand, you no get leg to walk, to take care of your children. If you Vera no dey abroad, you no go take care of your children. Or if you Vera no dey abroad, you no get another man now, or you no marry. If you Vera dey with you, you no go take care of Vera and your pikin. Vera need to support you. No be say na Vera go dey do everything. Vera go dey pay school fees. Vera go dey pay rent house. Vera go dey buy clothes. Vera go dey buy shoe. You won't give Vera. How many body wey Vera self get? We all do this. Go take care of children. Go take care of children. Go take care of children. If Vera no take care of it, you can help am. You wey get money, you can help Vera. Because me, I don't know where person go leave that problem. You go come carry another person problem, put am for your head. If it Vera get witch now, or it get something, we be like say, but it can cure all these people. Because this is not good, it's not nice. You can't put their children picture, put Vera picture. Which can't it be that one? I still watch one video now. One woman, I don't know what to be her name. Come go still carry on. Now God know the person wey go do that video, wey come send and give that girl. Say Vera and your husband, if they fight, the girl go dey talk for the place where President's Day, for the place where Now wow, who marriage perfect? Who husband and wife wey no dey fight? Who husband and wife wey no dey fight? This tongue and teeth, they fight, they go settle. Because if you eat soup, wey be like say it's sweet now, if you bite your tongue, that tongue go pay you, but small time, the tongue go leave you. Why did they do like that to shook hand? You want to look wetin dey happen for this one? You want to look wetin dey happen for this one? African people, more now stop. If you no stop, God do dey first. God do dey hungry for all of this rubbish where African people they no be only whites. More now lay down, ask for forgiveness. More now leave Vera and their family alone. Let this man wey provide these children. Because if the man no plug, you no plug, it be like wetin you plug, now you go take. Now the man give Vera belle. The man know say you go fit take care of the child. Now you make Vera the bomb for am. See trouble. I want Nigeria people, wetin happen now? Mona stop all do this thing. The man know say they can't pay. He can't pay, strong, he know how to walk. Now they make and give Vera belle, make Vera the bomb every 2 years, every 2 years. He come born 5 boys, 5 boys. Why the man no go fit walk? They go talk say walk in no dey Nigeria, walk in no dey Nigeria. I know the way Nigeria be, say Nigeria is very hard country. But if the man self talk say, this fella say I won't make shame, say if you know day, I go fit take care of my children by myself. Why the man just sit down to expect Farah to send money give her? To send money give her. Person wey won't help, you go fair help himself. You don't know say if the person dey here, you get children for Africa, you dey send money, even though if you dey for your family side, if you dey send money, you go be like say you no do anything. Because instead of to use that money to take care of your child, they go dey use that money do another thing. Your children go come be like say mama no dey abroad. It dey happen with everybody. It dey happen with me when me dey talk. Even though if you very dey work, if they work for this Germany, if they collect like 2,000 euro or 2,005. If they social no they help am parent house, if they in own, if they parent house, if they pay light bill, if they buy clothes for this one, where they get, if they buy food, how much the money one left? Because money wey person they see for abroad, now abroad they collect the money back. Now God will be like say they help some people, will be like say inside that money, if they keep and use better thing, use and do better thing for Africa. Person will be like say, it say, I did here for 4 years, I did here for 5 years, I don't be marshal. Go have some bush work if they do. Bush work if they do. How much they collect for salary? Or how much government they pay him? We come to say he here for 4 years, he here for 5 years, or he here for 3 years, he don't bid marshal. Go ask Sam which work, no be only Ashewo they make am. Go ask am another work still dey. We be like say na him money dey pass. Mona stop to push your people for wetin they not supposed to go pull hand. They go pull hand. At the end of the day, you go come put am for problem. Mona stop to bring person down. Our African people, instead of to support you, now African people go know person wey be like say you don't know how to speak English. Now African people they don't know say this one don't know how to write. Now African people they don't know say this one and your husband they beat her. Now African people they go know say this one you no do this, you no do that, you no do this. Why no talk your matter? Why no if you know say you want get followers, you want to get subscriber? Why no they bring your own matter, your family own matter? Why no they bring am on social media? We be like say na person matter they bring on social media. Why? If you want to help person, help am say you help am because say you sef you get children, don't know the place where your children go reach tomorrow. Don't help say I wan let people know say I help this person. I wan let people know say na me be the good person. Nobody perfect for this life. Nobody good. Everybody get their own na clothes. Na him dey cover am. Mo na stop all this rubbish. Mama Gladys, you are not a small pikin. You are a mama, grandma. Even though if you see this, even though if you are Vera get matter or Vera don't insult you, just leave her say Vera don't know wetin they do. Now you make they do like that. Because if you look Vera age and your age, you senior Vera. Even though if you thought say person feel born, you feel born Vera. If you say the way people they born this time around now, you feel born Vera. So don't look down on maybe Vera don't insult you before. All of those people where they carry this matter now. Don't look say maybe Vera don't insult you or you and Vera don't get matter before. You're supposed to call Vera. Say, Vera, my sister, no be like that life be. If you say this man no fit take care of the children, or they give this man money, if go fair ask Vera go just give you. You go just explain for you. Now that time you go know wetin you go talk. No be by saying you go do one video or person can't do one video, can't put on for social media, you can't carry the video, say, hey, I shame for you. You where they talk say me, I shame for all of you. Where be like say you leave your problem. You can't carry another person problem, can't put on for you go. All these people where be like say they like to talk person problem. You go get hypertension. High pressure go kill all of you. Because me, I don't know why people they do like this. Yoruba say ẹlòmíì yóò fẹnu lẹ̀ báyìí yóò dẹ̀ lọ fẹsẹ̀ kọ. Oníkálukú abiti ẹ̀ la. Oníkálukú ló ní tiẹ̀ lára aṣọ ló ń bò. Kí ló dé? Why Nigeria people like to do like that? Why? Instead of Nigeria people to support you, they no go support. Even though if you see say you want to go up, the way they go bring you down. Now Nigeria people know how to gather do. They say you say this girl, what they do, e good though, but let him support her, let him give her advice. So okay, now like this you go do. Instead of do because they don't want me to be like she. They want me to comment and say, ma, sir, yes, ma, yes, sir, okay, ma, okay, sir. Now that one they want. Which time African people won't leave all of this rubbish? Which time Nigeria people won't leave all of this thing? Who na leave Vera own? I watch Mama Gladys or Mama Gladys their video today. In context, if you want to donate for the children sick. If papa no get hand, if papa don't die, that man that they thought say that they shame for Vera. I shame for you. You will be like man. I'm shame on you. Some men have don't carry the video. They call the cause Vera. You know they cause the man where they give Vera belle, where Vera the bomb. That time the man don't know say na bukata in they put for ground. You don't know say he need to work hard. If you not see work or if you not see something, you know go fit sell bottle water and like I said, let your children dey okay. Or you know go fit do alabaru. I don't know what they call in English. Go market, go dey help person carry load, make your children dey better. I see a lot of people for Africa, for Nigeria, we be like say, now that thing that they do, go market, the place where they sell pepper, sell yam, sell red oil, all those things. They go they help person. If you see person will buy plenty load, they go they help them carry the load, collect money, use that money, take care of their children, go university. Why the man no fit do that one? That man a lazy man. e depend of Vera because Vera don dey abroad. E think say na Vera he insult in life, he insult their family. That children sef dey insult their self because the children go grow, the video still dey there, no comot to go anywhere. The man no dey shame, the man no fit go work. If the man do, their power don Vera fit support. No be say na Vera go pay 5 children school fees, buy cloth. No be only 1 children that they talk about o. 5. You go pay school fees, you go buy cloth, you go give her money to buy food. How much for Vera dey collect for salary? How much dey collect a month? Our Nigeria people, you go see through, you no go talk. You no go talk. The man no dey shame. The man no himself come stand like person wey don get stroke. They come dey make your children video say see the mattress wey they use to sleep. If the mattress no good, throw away and pull any wetin they call any for English, I don't know. Put am for ground, make your pikin sleep for there. Go work, go outside. Man dey hustle. Now all this people wey be like say if their wife dey Nigeria, they go dey sleep for house. Im wife go market to come dey hustle. Now im wife go come house, come cook, eat, do everything. Wetin happen? If you good for Vera, if you take care of Vera, Vera no go leave you for Africa, come marry another man for abroad. He no go leave you for Africa, come suffer, pass road. Abi you don't know Vera pass? People wey pass desert and gatro and that water, na you know meme. You wey pass up, wey be like say na madam carry you come abroad. You use plane. You no pass all of that stress. You no go know wetin person dey face for road. No be say I crazy now. I go come leave children for Africa. Even though if I get another, if I marry, okay, because I don't get 5 children now, me I no come marry again. Wey be like say him papa never die o. The man wey I born for her never die. He still there alive. He still there alive. Na this man, na him born these 5 children. No be only Vera, because no be Jesus Christ give Vera. No be Jesus Christ he give Vera belle. Na this man, na him open Vera leg. Say oya open, let me put am. Come dey give am morning, afternoon, ugbu. Vera come born finish now, come leave you, come abroad now. You come dey cry, come outside. Say Vera no dey take care of the children. Vera abandon the children. All of you now, where they talk that up, I shame for you. Where they carry person matter come for social media, where be like say you know they sew your cloth for the place where it's here. They know they sew your cloth for the place where be like say it's here. Now you know person wey know how to speak good English for social media. Now you know person wey be like say na pidgin English he dey speak. Why? Una face your own problem. Don't they look another person problem? If it's YouTube self get law, it's supposed to ban all of this rubbish, useless thing where our African people they do for YouTube. YouTube supposed to stop all of this thing. Maybe if you stop, maybe our body for rest. Talk good thing. See wetin they go up and down now. See the way person they down. They no lead down. May pray. May all of these problems solve. May stop. Abi you think say if this thing still they continue like this, if they kill white people like this, you think say maybe you go face this country go dey comfortable. Shebi they don't lock everybody for room now. They don't lock everybody for house. Me anybody know they go outside. I want to know the way where everybody want take get money now. I want to see the way where everybody want take get money. Because me I don't know how many months where government go pay money reach. Where be like say no they work. Go they pay you. You go they pay you. Go they pay you. You don't say Germany government, that they plug money for road. They know they work before they see the money where they give you. I be all of this problem now. If you God no, just give us another chance. If this thing no can stop, you think say maybe you self you go dey happy for this country. You wey marry white self, if your wife no go work, you no get money, the money wey get for account, you don't use and buy food stuff finish. I know our African people now. Sharp, sharp. They go wash their this thing. Go outside, go find another man wey get money. Una stop all do this thing. Sew your cloth before the place where it's here. Una leave people. Una leave people. Me no dey shook. I mean no dey carry your eyes. You want to look wetin dey happen for this family. You want to look wetin dey happen for this family. Me una stop all this because they find followers. Because they find subscriber. They could only bring people down. If you want to talk person matter, if you never put the person picture, or if you never put the person their pikin, people don't know what you they talk. People never know what you they talk. This thing is not good, because person wey be say no get mind. This the way they do now. If they think, if he kill himself, that blood, all of you where they talk the matter, the blood dey your pikin, it dey with you. Now that blood go kill all of you one by one. Una stop to talk person matter. Una stop to bring person down. You where they talk, you no live pikin for Africa. Now everything they do for that pikin. If you say the man don't die now, fine. Everybody can talk, because everybody knows say all those children they no get papa for Nigeria. So na Vera did that procedure to do. Na he did that thing to do everything for the child, to pay their school fees, to pay their food, to money for food, money for clothes, money for shoe. But the man never die, still there alive. The man, how old is she? The man don't hold like that. We be like say no fit go work again. Me, before I come from Nigeria, I see one man. The man don't hold. Still, the man still can't dey go house because his wife don't die. His wife don't die. The man, as he hold the rich, he get 3 children. That man go my 12. They do biro, you know biro now. You know wheelbarrow. Where they used to carry yam, carry load. Now that man they push. Use person carry load. Use person carry load. You go bath in pikin. You go wash their clothes. What did the man self they do? Some women no fit do am. So why this men you no fit do am for the children? Come to say Vera no dey send money. All the daddy say my mommy no send money. They don't beg my mommy. Why no beg your daddy? Your daddy don't die. Your daddy no get leg and hand. May your daddy tell you true. Whether your mama no dey send money before, give your papa. Your papa they use that money, carry another woman, no they use and take care of you. Maybe now you make your mama stop that rubbish. You know can't stop the. But Vera self do a lot of mistake. My sister. Maybe you dey watch this my video. You do a lot of mistake. If that man they do like that, well, either you get mama or you get sister, go carry your children. Tell am say if you no release your, because I know some men they no go relieve that child because of the money.